Dog doesn't like it. Right, so here we are. It's about 7:30. We're in is it Saint-Pierre-de-Port?
Saint-Jean.
Saint-Jean-Pierre-de-Port, my apologies.
That's the one.
It's taken us all day to get here. I've suffered with a bit of the squits on the plane. Once we got off the plane, we got on the number 6 bus to Biarritz, then hung around for 2 hours waiting for the train. The train takes about an hour and a half to get here and finally drops you off in the middle of this most fantastic countryside. You can understand why the bastards want it themselves. And so we're now trying to find the office where we get our pilgrim's passport, and then we're trying to find somewhere to sleep. Now this might be a bit of a problem because it's quite late. We expected to get here about 5 o'clock and that would have given us plenty of time, so 2 problems. We don't know
by the looks of it, we're in the same boat as these people.
2 problems. Potentially the passport office is closed, in which case we may have to wait around tomorrow morning until it opens again, and that takes half a day away from us really. And the second problem is, because we're late, we might not get somewhere to sleep. Potentially, of course we don't know. Anyway, we'll all find out in a few seconds. Shoes off. Oh, this is fine. You want top or bottom?
You're first.
Alright, you want top.
Règle de vie dans la maison. No, never shoes.
Shoes, okay, yeah.
Foot or socks.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
You want eat? No eat in the bedroom. I have the table.
Oh, yeah. Oui.
Mais no eat here.
No, niks niet essen. Ja.
Okay. No, mais c'est parfait. And you want dress wet? In the garden.
Okay.
Huh? Dress wet? No here we dress.
No. Ja, we hebben het nog niet.
Look, today, people.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
And stempel?
Yes, formality after.
Yes,
huh?
okay.
Okay.
Are we going to be calling these passports and credentials?
Quite credential, it sounds better, doesn't it?
Okay, so we've just got our nice credentials. We filled in a form. And a little bit of stuff on the front. We've got my name, address, nationality. I'm starting on 6th of April, which is tomorrow, and I'm going by foot. And I have my first stamp. Look at this. Wow. So exciting. And the guy who was giving us all this is so helpful. We have maps and lots of instructions.
Cool. €2.
€2.
So it's €2 for the credential.
Yes.
Cool. And that's the way we're going tomorrow.
South. We take the middle road. Not left and not right. We take the middle road.
La rue Napoléon. So now all we need to do is find something to eat and find something to eat tomorrow.
Should we get another stamp?
Let's go get a second stamp, shall we?
Voilà.
Merci.
À tout à l'heure, Claudia.
Voilà. Baboum, s'il vous plaît.
Richard. Here or here?
Ah, there.
Alors. 5. Voilà.
Bien, merci.
Thank you.
Kevin.
Kevin, voilà, Kevin.
Misty this morning.
It is, yeah.
This is a proper pilgrimage road. Don't want any of that easy tarmac. The route goes off-road. I remember reading about this.
Or does that take you right up to the top?
I don't know. I can't really see anywhere through there anyway.
You know, stop for a minute and have a look at the map in the book. That over there is, according to my book, the Peak Lazar Ithaca Mountain Refuge. We're at the top of Mount Ithaca. It's about 120 metres in height a second. No, about 1,300 metres in height. That's totally wrong. That old mountain refuge was a place where pilgrims used to go a long time ago if they got stuck up on this mountain range. So, as we go down here, in about a kilometre, we're going to end up coming to the Spanish border. And I guess we'll do the next bit when we get there. This is the last water in France, because over here, this cattle grid signifies the Spanish-French border. I'm going to have a drink of water. We're about 2 hours away from Roncesvalles. We're going to have something to eat in about half an hour. But now I think we're going to have a drink. Incredible the variety of landscape you get. We started off today walking through a town that's been there since the 1500s. Into hilly landscape, the sort of thing you might see in Wales. And just as we go higher and higher and higher, we end up walking through boggy country, and finally bits of snow start to appear, and finally there's snow all around you, and not just a little bit, a metre of snow in some places. You have to be really careful about where you put your feet. And as we descend, in the space of literally half an hour's descent, we get into land like this, walking through a beech forest. Apparently it's the biggest one left in Europe. And here we are at what very possibly may be a stream, but beyond that stream is Roncesvalles, which means Valley of the Daggers, or I may have made that up. I think that's what it means. You probably can't see it yet, but it's there, and it's not an hallucination. Kevin's seen it as well.